Tata Boy Chavez is also a YouTuber here, and medyo dako na niyang fan base, 11K. And this is Irene from Singapore, and she's the partner of Kid's brother.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Mura mag-Singaporean akong katohok yun po, no?
So Irene will be selling her mga authentic and branded mga luxury items. So let's listen to Irene.
Sige.
Okay, so I don't speak Bisaya, so I'm gonna speak in Tagalog and English probably. So, okay, just to help my mother-in-law, I actually have few items here behind me. So this is personal collection from my business trip, and most of these are actually almost new because I don't really use them very much kasi nga madami sila. So, I'm gonna start with this one. Okay. This one is a Hermes watch. Hey, where's my... There, center. So I got this one for euro around 3,000 something, and I'm currently selling this one for 100 over 1,000. So probably 100,000 will do. And I am willingly letting go this one, maybe a bit lower kung meron. Kompleto siya with the box. I'll just show na lang. Yung pinaka box niya mismo is actually talagang leather siya, full leather siya. So it comes with authenticity date card. So madami siyang papel sa loob, as in sobrang dami. Lahat yata ng details na kailangan mo, it will be here. Tapos, ito yung box niya. It's talagang leather siya talaga, even the inside one and the outside. So, I bought this one in Paris actually. And I'm letting go of this one for 100,000. Kung merong mas mababa, I'm considering, but not lower than 50,000 syempre.
Just so I am asking Tata Boy if possible sa iyang group mag-share po siya sa mga items na for sale para mas taas og reach pa ang post. So thank you kayo in-law ha.
Yes, ato na i-share.
Go ahead, Irene.
Okay, so meron pa ako dito. It's actually Steve Madden. Kaso lang, glittery shoes ang datingan niya. So, hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Yung tag niya is still here. So, I got this one around, sa London ko to nabili mga 68 pounds yata. So, I'm letting go of 2,000 pesos na lang for this one. 2,000 pesos.
Tsaka,
parang yun, mga 5,000 yata pagka Philippine peso. Tas yun. Kompleto naman siya ng...
Ang brand sa shoes?
Steve Madden.
Grabe, no? Ako kailana.
Steve Madden. Tapos, I'm selling also my Bottega Veneta shoes. I think na-post ko na to with Margaret. Kompleto siya ng papers rin. Here. So I'm just going to open it na lang with all the authenticity card. Eto, twice ko lang siya nagamit. I think sa sa office event, tsaka sa wedding ng pinsan ko. So,
nice.
Yeah. This one, I got this one here sa flagship ng Bottega Veneta in Singapore for 45,000. So I'm selling this one for 20,000. Almost brand new to kasi twice ko lang siya nagamit. As in, yan lang. Yung heels niya and everything talagang walang scratch. Walang dent, walang So dahil hindi ko na siya ginagamit, I will let go of this one also. I think it's a 4-inch heels.
4-inch.
Medyo
Bottega
mataas.
Veneta.
Mm-mm. Oo, Bottega Veneta. So si Bottega Veneta, yung range niya kasi more on ano siya, parang banig, parang tampipi ang style niya. So wala siyang any logo. Ito lang ang ano niya. Oo, para lang siyang banig actually. So those who usually buy this one, sila lang yung nakakakilala nitong ganito kasi parang napaka-normal. Oo, napaka-normal niyang brand pero kahilera siya ng Hermes. Not Louis Vuitton definitely. Kahilera siya ng Hermes. So I'm selling some of my ano tawag dito,
Wallet.
and this one also, sling bag. Eto, bagong bili ko lang to. Nagamit ko to Margaret sa Cebu. Tapos
Same brand, no? Bottega
Veneta. So, isa pang isi-sell ko is actually etong bag ko, which is Louis Vuitton. This one. Kung kaya natin mabenta to in 100,000. Here. Napaka limited edition to. Alma ang name niya. Louis Vuitton Alma. So, gold hardware siya. Medyo mabigat kasi parang yung tawag dito, yung strap niya puro bakal. So, almost new rin to. I hardly use this one. I think I got this one for 189,000. Sa
Grabe. Grabe naman in-law.
100,000.
Gamit.
Ang sudi mo kay.
Daghang snatcher sa kulon.
Oo, I have few items to sell pero yun nga, kung matatagalan tayo pagka nilabas ko siya. So, eto lang yung mga gusto kong i-sell for now. Kung kaya natin yung watch, tsaka eto, tsaka yung Bottega Veneta na shoes, tsaka some of the things. I also have another brand. Hindi ko alam kung medyo kilala ninyo siya. Nababasa ba?
Kazumasa Kawasaki.
Kawasaki.
Oo. So, eto, essence siya for the face, pampaganda. If you can Google it now, try to Google it kung magkano siya. So, we are selling this one for 5,000 each. Ang selling price niya, retail price is 9,000 each. I think gamit to ni Jinky Pacquiao.
Wow.
Siyempre naman.
Kazumasa Kawasaki. Nasaan na siya? Ayan. Yan. I-Google mo lang siya. The price is 9,000 something in Philippine peso. So, binibenta natin yung essence tsaka yung mist. Parang gusto yata nung friend mo to. Sino yon? Yung nag-message sa akin. Oo. Sabi niya ganon, she's willing to pay me daw 2,000 first, then 3,000. So I'm gonna reserve her since I have few of this one. It's from Japan.
And you will be sending that through package. And then ako na yung middleman.
Yung payment will be yours na. Sana kung mabebenta natin to in 5,000 each, sana kung may kasabit nito, ayun, it will be a very big help for my mother-in-law.
Yes.
Yun.
Meron ba daw pang lalaki ay?
Ha?
May nagtatanong, meron bang pang lalaki?
Oh, kung Nike shoes ko no, mupalit ko no si JR. Kulits.
I actually have one more to sell kasi nabili ko to sa sa London. For info lang, Tata Boy, I always travel for work. Hindi ako flight stewardess, but I always travel for business trips. So when I travel. When I travel kasi,
Kaya pala maraming di ba?
Medyo maganda yung allowance na nabibigay. That's why I can buy some of this stuff. Pero yun, it's because of that one.
Maganda talaga. Maganda talaga allowance na yan. Sobra.
So, I got this Fred Perry. Ito, mali ang size na nabigay sa akin. So, nagmamadali kasi sinukat ko siya. Tapos yung binigay sa akin, maling size na. So, hindi ko na chinek. It comes with a box. Fred Perry box. And, yeah. And this one. I think this one is selling for 4,000. Siguro kaya na nating ibenta at 1,500 na lang. It's authentic from London, Fred Perry.
1,500?
Oh, 1,500 pero malaki size niya. Ang nakalagay 37. 37 pero parang kasya sa 40, size 40. Sayang. Maganda pa. Oo, ang laki nung binigay sa akin. Ang sinukat ko is 37 but they gave me a 40, size 40. It's really very big shoes. So baka lang may malaking feet. It's a good buy if it's 1,500. Oo,
grabe,
yun.
From London ba yan?
London na siya.
Oh my God.
Ligon.
Ayan.
Grabe, no?
So, ayun, if we can sell that one, it will be a big help for my mother-in-law kung may mga bibili, kung may mga interesado. But I recommend to have this.
May Facebook ba? Account si Ma'am?
Oh, yes.
Yung para ma-share natin din yun.
I think nakatag siya sa yung post ng mga items.
I-post name mo. Okay.
Ito talaga, medyo hindi ko ginagamit to. Yung Hermes. If we can try to,
Mahal naman ang na yan. Gisingot ko na si Margie G. Shout sa presyo. Oy! Perting singota. Yun niya. Perte na yung singota.
220,000 siya in Philippine peso pero ibenta natin ng 80 to 100,000 if we can. Ayan. So,
gamutan na to share kung hinaot magabasa ang mga celebrity na to na friends diha Tata Boy. Ikaw man diha connection diha.
Yes, ato nang ipang-share. Importante share na to.
Oo, kompleto siya ng authenticity card. So, yeah. I personally bought it overseas kaya I can guarantee it's 100% authentic talaga.
So I'll just cut this video from the time you started showing the products until the end para ma-share natin sa Facebook para visible din siya sa Facebook.
Yes.
Yung part na yun.
Tapos, kung may iba pang brand na probably they wanted to ask pagka may mga queries ka lang or something, I am willing to sell kung meron lang mga ibang brand. I have Miu Miu, Prada, Tod's, tsaka yun, Bottega Veneta and LV. Yun. Siguro, yan, there.
I'll also include your contact details sa description box once ma-upload na to. Once matapos na yung live stream para in case they have questions, they can just go directly to you.
Yeah. When it comes to pricing rin, sige, I'll definitely give a discount. Definitely a very big discount para lang ma-dispose siya and to help out also. Yun.
Thank you so much, Irene.
Sana may maka-avail, may makabili nitong mga to. But what I can actually recommend is to have this Kawasaki, Kazuma Kawasaki. Napakaganda nito as in sa mukha. Sobrang ganda niya talaga sa mukha. It's hindi masyadong Kung meron lang may mist tayo, pang spray lang sa mukha. Tsaka yung essence.
Essence is for
pampaganda lang.
Sa mukha pa rin.
Anti-aging. It's anti-aging, Oo, parang nakita ko in one of the, vlog ni Jinky Pacquiao to Yan.
Okay.
Parang ginagamit niya. Pero I'm not sure kung meron sa Pilipinas nito. Kasi Yun, parang hardly seen in the market. But when I check the price, sa Pilipinas parang 9,400 something yung isang essence. So it's a good buy kung may bibili for 5,000.
Thank you so much.
Grabe. So
I will
guys,
share this one. Thank you, Donski, for sharing.
yeah, share nyo lang.
Sana.
Sa mga di pa kaya, share lang natin, guys.
So those who are watching right now are mostly YouTubers. So I hope they can share it to their timeline as well.
Page, yes, sa mga timeline, yes, yun.
Para we can have more reach sa audience. So thank you so much for sharing your products, for the products that you're selling for in behalf of for the benefit of Mama N. Thank you so much, Ai.
Salamat. Okay.
Thank you. Amping mo diha.
Amping.
Bye. Thanks, Tata Boy.
Bye-bye, Irene.
Salamat.
Thank you. Ayun, grabe in-law, no? Ang mahal naman, pero nakakatulong dako yung tugtabang.
Oo. So
Grabe.
it's very expensive. Dili siya kanang ideal na mga kanang sa middle class ganit na mga items, but if it's going to be sold, guys, mabayaran jud ang hospital bills ni Mama N. So we will really appreciate every share of this video or the ones that I'll be sharing sa Facebook. Maskin share lang. Salamat kayo ninyo, guys.
Tama.
Thank you. So napatay 40 minutes. So magpaabot ako.
Basig na yung ganahan, di mo cut lang, makig chika-chika na to.